I am Chaz Pierce, and if you're here, you're probably already thinking about life insurance because something in your world has changed. You probably know you need it, but it's confusing. So before jumping into running quotes and all that, there's a better place to begin. Let's start out by making sure that you are on the right road. As you start looking into life insurance, there is this unforeseen fork in the road, and it revolves around the real question, which is, what are you trying to accomplish? So, for most people, they're just looking for simple, low cost family protection. For others, it's a complex scenario involving taxes and savings and it just needs a more advanced financial analysis. So before you start engaging with different professionals or looking at options, it's most important to be clear on that. So the next fork in the road is figuring out who you want and who you don't want to work with. And this is where it's important to use personal discretion. Listed here are the people who are the kind that you don't want to work with. They offer one carrier, they are product pushers, they lead with quotes, and they just try to apply high pressure tactics to get you to buy something. All these are the warning signs you need to watch for when you get into this space. So now that you've weeded out some of the bad folks, you'll recognize that the good ones, we actually all have access to the same carriers and the same rates. So the big difference here is the advice that you get from us. So a few of the positive things you want to look for are that they have a consultative approach and they tend to be problem solvers and that they will give you plenty of time to think. And of course, they're going to ask you a number of questions to make sure they're getting you into the right fit product here. So now that you've figured out your way down the road, if you would happen to like my help in finding the right life insurance solution, I will be happy to do a virtual consultation. And my contact information is listed on the slide here. Feel free to reach out whenever you are ready. Thank you very much.